Hair still looks like this and not like this after you blow dry in 2024. We need to have a chat. My friends literally say my hair has been reborn, and they were like, you must have spent so many thousands of dollars on your hair. And I was like, no, not at all. Tell all my friends that it's a huge commitment, and it really is, because a lot has to go into it. I tend to see a lot of people fall back from their routine because it's just so much at once, and you're just like, oh, I just don't want to commit to this. But what I actually do with my friends is I will tell them every single thing I've done with my hair. Like, I don't gatekeep or whatever, but I will suggest with them certain beginner steps to do, so nothing just comes all at once for them. And the products I give to my friends are literally just 2 items, like just 2. So both of these items are from Perfect Length. This is the Keratin hair mask, and I absolutely love it because it's super simple. All you have to do is shampoo your hair, wash it out, then leave this in for 10 minutes, and it's only once a week. Like, this literally helps hydrate your hair if you have bleached or like damaged hair or dyed, whatever, you know, all that kind. Like, you need to reborn your hair. This is gonna be your girly. This is gonna help you once a week. On top of that, after I like to blow dry my hair or air dry, because air drying is really good for your hair too, I go in with their super smoothing hair care serum with Moroccan organ oil. What I really like about this one, it's quite refreshing because it's not like your regular hair oil where you smell like all that vanilla smell. This smells like pure organic stuff you're putting in your hair. Okay, those are the 2 products you really need to start this journey. Like, this hair is only blow dry. Like, I used to have really frizzy hair. Being on the journey, you don't want to be spending a lot of money. Just 2 are really affordable, which I really like.